haven't done a twist out in so long. Give me a beat, give me a beat. It's been so long since I've twisted my hair. It's been so long, and you don't really care. Like this when I'm by myself? Yes, because I'm by myself right now. Doing the same thing that I would be doing. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and today I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a twist out, but we're going to switch it up. I know you're used to me doing wash and goes at this point, but we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna do a twist out and we're gonna switch it up a little bit more, dial it a little bit more, change it a little bit more, and we're going to use some clip-ins. So I have these kinky curly clip-ins, and these are from Knappy hair. I used this in a braid out video that I did on Instagram, but I want to do it with a twist, so we're gonna do that video. This is going to be perfect. If you have a date night, you wanna switch it up a little bit, you got a date night, got something to do, somewhere to go, switch it up a little bit. So I washed all of these this morning, and yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video. So if you're into natural hair and a little bit of beauty, then just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, it don't cost you nothing to subscribe. Just support me, okay? If you subscribe and like, then I know that you like this content and I can put out more. If I don't know, I can't do it, you know? I can't put it out if I don't know that you like it. It's simple. So I just washed my hair and put in a leave-in, the kinky curly leave-in. So my hair looks and feels amazing. So this is a 4-clip. So I'm just gonna open the clips, as you can see. And I'm just gonna put it in here. Start on the edge and then work my way over. Ooh, look at that. Hair is instantly long, okay? Hair overnight. We'll be growing hair overnight, okay? So I'm just gonna put some more water on these. Should put some leave-in on these bad boys. Right. Okay, so I'm going to use these. Well, first of all, I'm gonna use a twisting butter to twist my hair. I'm gonna use this almond dry twisting butter, but as you can see, there's barely any left, but I wanna use it up. And I love this twisting butter. So I'm just gonna take a section, probably do 3 sections in the back, and I'm going to put it on both my hair and the twists. If your clip starts coming off, coming down, just like, you know, fix it and move on with your life. So I'm not gonna make these like super skinny twists, but you wanna make sure you put enough butter so that your hair actually takes the form of the twist. So doing this, my hair will obviously take the form a lot easier just because it's not dry like this hair is. So you just twist and twist. And just go all the way down. So you're twisting your hair with the clip-ins. And this is a pretty chunky twist. I actually really like the chunky twist. I personally really like chunky twists. I wish my hair was like this thick to where I could have chunky twists like this. And take a little bit more towards the ends. And you're just gonna twist your hair similar to how you would twist the hair, similar to how you would twist your hair. the hair, similar to how you would twist your hair. And then once we get to the end, and I can actually get my life together here, we are just going to twist it up, spin it around, one twist down, and this is cute. Like, this is actually really cute. I would rock it personally. Personally, I would do it, but you know. So again, I'm gonna spray a little bit of water. The best way to make sure your twists come out good is to ensure your hair is going to take that form. And the best way to ensure your hair is going to take the form that you are putting it in is to get it a little bit wet. You don't need, if you're like doing this, like say you had blown out hair and you wanted to do a twist out with it, you could do it without wetting your hair. You would just have to use more of the twisting butter or something like that, or leave it in the twist for longer, so then you can make sure your hair takes that form. But your hair is not going to take the form if it's just like dry on dry. You feel me? So again, I'm just using some of that almond dry twisting butter. It's literally my favorite twisting butter. If you have any recommendations for a better twisting butter, let me know. But this twisting butter and with the deep conditioner, hands down amazing. Hands down amazing. I felt like my clip was like sliding a little bit, so I take it and clip it back to where I want it to be, and then just twist. Just twist. You don't need to be like super strong with the twist at the root because you don't want it to like come up, you know. So you just twist it, and I always do the outside before I do the inside, and that is just simply because I just feel like it works easier for me. Like, you have to do what works best for you. Like, people go in a straight line, like 1, 2, 3. I go 1, 3, 2. Whatever. It's whatever works for you, bro. Whatever works for you, boo. And this is the last one in this back part. And then I'll turn around and show you what it looks like in the back. And don't forget that these will not be seen, obviously, so they don't need to be perfect. Meaning the parts and stuff. They don't need to be perfect. But it does make it easier when you're taking out your hair afterwards, so keep that in mind. See, just being gentle, getting some moisture on all of this hair, my hair and the clip-ins. Then you're just going to do a regular 2-strand twist. And again, be gentle towards the roots because that's where the clip is, and you don't want to, like, you know, pull out your clip and mess it up. You do want it to feel somewhat stable on your hair. And these are all different size twists, as you can see. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect, especially in the back. Towards the front, we need to get a little more serious about how big the twists are, but in the back, it's like, it'll be alright, you know, it'll be alright. So these are the 3 twists. We are winning. Let me turn around and show you what we're looking like here. So twists are in, first row. So I'm just gonna do this throughout the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna put one right here. So we will put that in here. Let me turn around and I'll show you how it goes. So these are the clips. They're all open and you can just literally push and then they close. So I'm just going to put one here towards the end. And I'm just gonna follow my part around here. See? So you don't even have to put these technically you don't have to put them in a twist out. Like, you could literally wear your hair like this, and people not literally like this because you would need some type of moisture on there, but you could wear your hair like this and nobody would even know. So yeah, so I'm just gonna take this section here. That section's a little big. And just gonna make a section, take some hair cream or twisting butter and twist this bad boy up, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna twist this up, and I'm gonna do this throughout the rest of my hair. When I get to the very top, I'll show you exactly what I do, but I'm gonna put on some music, vibe out with me, and I will be back to show you what the results of this twist out look like, or show you what it looks like when it's all done, but before I take the twist out. What the heck am I saying? I'll show you at the end what twists look like, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. I will show you at the end of the twist. Okay, so we're at the front. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these, I have 2s and longer 2s and 3s. So I'm gonna take these 2s that are pretty far apart. I'm gonna just like measure it. So I think here is good. And I'm just gonna put one here. See how it's gonna be this whole section. I'm gonna put one right here and one here. Yeah, we're gonna split this into two different twists, okay? And I'm gonna use this Miracle Moisture Cream, and this stuff works really well on my natural hair, like really, really well. It can definitely help mold your hair. So, it smells a little off-putting for me, but beside the point. See how I'm saying like this part, sometimes like the clip-ins will like start to move kind of, and that's fine. You can totally just clip it back where you want it to be. And then I'm going to split this in 2, and I'm going to twist this out of the way. Twist it up. Okay, now that those twists are done, you can see I left enough at the top for me to just do regular 2-strand twists. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this cream. I really like thicker butters when I do twist outs and stuff, but I don't feel like going through all my stuff to see if I have some. But this stuff does work, so it'll be fun. And I'm just going to do some regular twists. And this is to help cover the tracks when I take them out, right? So it'll still blend in, but it's just gonna help cover everything. So I haven't done a twist out in so long. It's been so long since I've twisted my hair. It's been so long, and you don't really care. Now I can make a song out of anything. Child. Give me a beat, give me a beat. Okay. If you're wondering if I talk to myself like this when I'm by myself, yes, because I'm by myself right now. I love the way twist outs look. Love them. They were definitely my go-to before I started, since I became a wash and go type girl, you know, they were my go-to. And I love the way they look, but now one of the reasons that I enjoy wash and goes is that it literally, if I'm not filming, it takes me an hour to like wash my hair, set my hair, and then I sit out in the dryer for like 20-30 minutes and I'm done. Like with this, like I'm twisting, I have just washed my hair. Now I have to twist it all up, then I gotta wait for it to dry, then I gotta take it out, and then it may not look good still. Like, bruh, who has time? Who has time? So that's what that looks like for now. These are the results before everything is dry. I'm just gonna let them air dry, probably overnight. You can see. So the back has bigger twist than the front. That is perfectly fine. Give it some volume. And yeah, so these are the twists. And as you can see, the whole front is all my hair. So then it covers everything. So we're just gonna let it sit overnight, and then I will be back to show you the final results tomorrow. Elongated twist out, perfect, perfect, perfect for your date night, with yourself, okay? Date night with yourself. I'm just saying, you need one. We all need them. See you tomorrow. I'm back. So my braids are dry, or my twists are dry. Hair is looking good, 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 good. I am going to just take these out. We're gonna see what the results look like. And I tried to do a little Valentine's Day makeup look for you. How do you think I did? How do you think I did? Jackie Aina palette mostly, of course. And yeah, I like it. And then this lipstick is like the Ellery collection from ColourPop. I use Ceci on the outside and then Yoshi, I believe, on the inside. I like it. So I'm just gonna take them down. I'm gonna speed this part up. Whatever, vibe out with me. I'll be right back. These are the final results. I really like it. You can just keep playing around with it, make sure your hair blends in. But I really, really, really like this. This is super cute. Because you left hair out at the top, it's easier to blend. So your hair looks, my hair looks so good. I absolutely love this. I would definitely wear this for a date night. And yeah. Tell me if you like this or not. And you can like, if it's not blending well for you, like this part right here is making me irritated. So I'm just gonna put it in, like just mix it in with the hair. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. If you want more content like this, or if you are into natural hair and a little bit of beauty, then just make sure you subscribe to my channel. It don't cost you no money, girl. It don't cost you no money. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Wait, meditate, and slay.